So what's Charlie cooking tonight? Well, we're starting out with a whole bunch of roasted vegetables, and then we're going to add something over here in a few minutes. So stay tuned. Alright, we got our veggies charred a little bit. They're looking good. And so on this side now, we put on some lamb, which has been soaking overnight, marinating overnight in olive oil, garlic, oregano, thyme, lemon juice, all kinds of wonderful Mediterranean flavors. Alright, we just took everything off the grill. The lamb looks good, the veggies look good. We're going to go inside and finish making our tzatziki dip and warm up some pitas and do some assembly. Okay, we've got some homemade tzatziki. We got some cucumber, it's half of an English cucumber grated up. Some Greek yogurt, some dill, garlic, EVOO, lemon juice, and salt. So let's put everything together and make it look pretty. Alright, here we go. Finished product. We warmed up our pita, stuffed it with our veggies, our tzatziki, our lamb, little roasted veggies on the side, a little tzatziki on the side, added some sliced tomatoes and some sliced onion, and after tasting everything as I was doing it, I know it tastes good. So, just cook the damn food.